As a recently sent off cryptographic money based on Ethereum blockchain, long money is otherwise called long for conglomeration of yield cultivating. Authoritatively sent off on July 17, 2020, by cronje, long money is one of the most valuable decentralized finance coins. It is likewise known to be a stage that boosts income procured through computerized resources by yield cultivating. Look at this view before we start with definite FI cost expectation. Under the umbrella of long, a huge number of stablecoins gets support viz. DAI, USDC, USDT, TUST, and SUST, and they are additionally moved among numerous upheld DeFi conventions like Compound, AVE, DEX, and BEND, based on which resource pool is offering the best return. Consequently, we can incorporate different exercises of long money, with the most noticeable ones being one of a benefit-changing loan specialist to increase loaning yields, going about as a facilitator for stablecoin exchanges, no capital computerized outlet for AVE, and that of making vaults for getting and loaning needs connected with savvy contracts. The vital classes to pick above classifications are portioned under Procure, ZAP, APR, and Vaults. It tends to be underlined that long money as a stage goes about as an impetus to advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through BEND money and simultaneously upgrading pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above whole ecospace of DeFi by long is overseen proficiently and really. The FI token assumes a vital part here. Presently, this computerized coin cost is around $21,565.58 with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24-hour exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40 with a flowing stock of 36,638 FI. Despite the fact that set in a profoundly unpredictable universe of crypto resources, good factors like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly crucial part in impacting ventures as well as long money cost forecast. The essential goal of the FI group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and simultaneously security. This multitude of elements comprise venture guidance by top intermediaries as well as specialists. The ongoing cost of long money approaches $21,555.80. In view of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost figure for 2026 is $225,342. With a 5-year speculation, the complete worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%. According to our yearn.finance cost expectation, there is potential for FI cost and show it might go on a higher feeling in the cryptographic money market. The coin cost could cross $32,320.13 toward the finish of 2022, making it a beneficial venture. In view of our information of long money stage, and its FI token shows that the resource cost has been in an upturn for the beyond 1 year. In the forthcoming days, it might keep on showing a rising propensity. The future cost of the resource is anticipated at $108,898.935104112 following the year as per our expectation framework and monetary administrations. Regardless of its reception in the digital currency market, long money cost will more often than not face heat till January 2022. Going by cost expectations that bulls might be back, FI's exchanging cost could ascend marginally higher, say by 2024 $45,321.90, best case scenario. What's more, thus, dealers ought to use sound judgment prior to exchanging or effective financial planning. Established as of late in February 2020, long money has had an extraordinary group of committed experts who are specialists in the digital currency market. The previous year demonstrated sensationally certain for long money regardless of the impacts of the pandemic. Albeit the coin eased back a piece in the last part of the year gone by, it got an extraordinary push finishing the year 2020 with gigantic increase. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for long money as it kept a cost of $29,730 all through according to the most recent news. The 5 years in length gauge is given beneath that portrays the DeFi arrangement of hazard as well as conjecture speculation situation for crypto market examination in view of everyday graph and market news giving ascent and fall of long money DeFi token all-time exorbitant cost. All said and done, the DeFi pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions. New organizations would carry DeFi to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded cryptographic money. In the realm of digital currencies like DeFi, there could be conjectures of wonders, there could be wizardry in the present moment as well. In view of information refreshes, it wouldn't be an embellishment that this valued digital currency could break every one of the obstructions and endure everyday hardship, its scaling above past all-time high. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high and the drawn-out costs, financial backers can expect a completion time toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of DeFi would develop dramatically, by when it would not anymore a guileless contestant in the realm of digital currencies, yet a carefully prepared player. The usefulness of a digital currency characterizes its costs and not its legendary beginning. We should investigate the cryptographic money cost expectations by which merchants can settle on a legitimate choice to purchase long money. DeFi Value Expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets, DeFi is good to go to insist areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is brimming with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling $28,910.64. DeFi Value Expectation 2023. DeFi has laid out a quick solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the DeFi with begetting gain a lot greater cost of $34,766.18 per coin. On the off chance that the drive for practical crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush. DeFi Value Forecast 2024. There are many expectations going ahead for the DeFi token. Particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the biological system has plans on, there are presumptions that its market cost might reach $35,368.05. The astonishing special endeavors might wrap up, making the financial backers collect the increases. Albeit the cryptographic money markets are totally unusual, it would maybe take a marvel for DeFi to build its cost by that much in such a short measure of time. DeFi Value Expectation 2025.